In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a thumbnail in Canva for YouTube videos on blocking channels and users. Open Canva and select Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail. Once the editor opens, scroll to select Photos. In the search box, type yellow background, which is our chosen color for today. Scroll to find and select your preferred shade of yellow. Right-click on the image and set it as the background. Next, navigate to Elements and search for the YouTube logo. Choose a variation that complements our yellow background. A red YouTube logo would work well. Add it to your design and position it as desired. Search for a forbidden sign graphic. And place it over the YouTube logo, aligning with our theme of blocking YouTube channels. Add text by selecting a subheading. Type your main message, resize it, and position it to your preference. Choose a font that enhances readability. Add another subheading for additional text. Adjust the size and alignment to match your design. Select a third subheading for the final row of text. Again, choose appropriate fonts and sizes to ensure consistency with other elements. Apply effects in the editor to enhance visibility. For instance, give the text an outline in a different color, such as white, to make it stand out more. Adjust this for all text elements. Fine-tune the size and position of all elements until you are satisfied with the overall look. Once everything is aligned and visually appealing, download the thumbnail for your video. And that's it. you now have a professional looking thumbnail ready for your YouTube video. That's all for today's tutorial on how to create a thumbnail in Canva. I hope you found it useful. If so, please consider giving it a like, sharing the video, and subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.